Deep into a RimWorld colony and need to manage your save files? This is a game save file from the popular colony simulation game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these RimWorld game save files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor RWS corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. RWS files are game save files created by RimWorld, a sci-fi colony simulation game by Ludeon Studios. They store complete game state, including colony layout, colonist data inventory, research, progress, world map, factions, weather, and active events, enabling players to resume their colony at exactly the same point. RWS files use XML format, storing comprehensive game state data, including colonist statistics, relationships, skills, inventory, items, map terrain buildings, world generation seeds, and active mod information. The structure follows RimWorld's serialization format, designed for compatibility across game updates while preserving complete simulation state. The core association for the RWS file points directly to Ludeon Studios' RimWorld, developed by Ludeon Studios. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows may detect the file type, but game engines or modding tools are required to interpret it. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your RWS file, then click Open with. Test Ludeon Studios RimWorld. If you see it, if it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If the RWS file won't open, don't panic. Since the application couldn't handle the RWS file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, loading saves in RimWorld. Launch RimWorld from Steam GUG or your installed copy. From the main menu, select Load Game and choose your save from the list. RimWorld automatically reads RWS files from the saves directory in your user data folder. Select the desired save and the game resumes from the saved state. Next, backing up save files. Locate your RimWorld saves folder, typically at App Data, Local Low, Ludeon Studios, RimWorld, Saves. Copy RWS files to backup locations like external drives or cloud storage. Regular backups protect your colony against save corruption and mod conflicts, or accidental deletion, preserving hours of gameplay progress. Finally, editing saves carefully. Since RWS files are XML, they can be opened in text editors like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code for advanced editing. Modify values like silver count colonist stats or research progress carefully. Always back up the original file first, as syntax errors or invalid values can corrupt the save and prevent loading. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.